Evolution is the process by which different kinds of living organisms are believed to have developed from earlier forms during the history of the Earth. Evolution is necessary for a species to thrive and adapt to new and changing environments surrounding them. Dolphins are a widely distributed and diverse group of aquatic mammals. They are a successful species because they are highly intelligent creatures. Dolphins have many behavioral and physical adaptations. Behaviorally, dolphins have adapted to hunt in pods to maximize their ability to capture prey while avoiding being injured or attacked. Dolphins communicate by using their blowholes to create a series of clicks and whistles in varieties of pitches, tonalities, and frequencies. When dolphins see their reflection, they can identify objects placed on their bodies. Marine biologists that study these mammals believe that self-recognition strongly indicates a highly intellectual species, as most animals are not capable of self-recognition. Physically, dolphins have adapted to eat any type of fish in their environment, making them carnivorous. They can also hunt in deep oceans by lowering their heart rate to increase the intervals of time in which they need to surface for oxygen. Pakicetus is the first known dolphin. Its skull was found in North Pakistan, hence the name Pakicetus. It was a land mammal and had a full fur coat. Its characteristic features in the inner ear are found only in cetaceans to prove that it is an ancestor of the dolphin. Ambulocetus was a Pakicetus but with webbed feet. Ambulocetus probably could not walk well on land, after all it had squat legs that splayed from its body. It ate fish and small mammals that swam in the water. Remingtonocetus was a water-dwelling mammal. It lived in swampy areas with food sources such as fish and other small water creatures. Its fur was deceased and its legs were smaller, decreasing its ability to walk on land. A partial skeleton was found in Lutetia. Protocetus was a cetacean, which is a mammal that lives in water. The front limbs still had webbed feet, but the rear limbs were already greatly reduced in size to the point of being vestigial. Basilosaurus is Latin for king lizard, but they are mammals. It did not yet have a blowhole, so they would have to come to the surface and tilt their head up to get air. Fossils have been found such as teeth and a skull that was 5 foot long and was mistaken for a prehistoric crocodile. Pterodons essentially were a smaller and more compact scaled-down version of the Basilosaurus, with subtle yet important differences to mark it out as its own species. The Dorodon then evolved two different ways, for the modern-day whale and dolphin. The Odontoceti group is now known as the modern-day dolphin, and scientists are still researching these majestic animals today. All this fossil evidence points to dolphins and whales being closely related. They both have the same type of skeleton, and they both must surface for air. Whales and dolphins can hold their breath for 20 minutes, but the sperm whale has once held its breath for 90 minutes while in a dive. Dolphin evolution is a slow process covered over millions of years. Although dolphins have adapted well to their new environments, they will continue to evolve to the environment changes of face of extinction. It is possible that in the future, humans and dolphins may be able to communicate. Scientists are trying to monitor their high-frequency sounds so that they can develop technology to communicate with them.